Configuring a Whoop membership is a straightforward process that allows users to unlock the full potential of their Whoop fitness tracker. To get started, first ensure you have a Whoop device and access to the Whoop mobile app. Begin by downloading and installing the Whoop app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, launch the app and select the option to create an account or log in if you already have one. Next, navigate to the membership section within the app, typically found in the settings or profile area. Here you will find the option to join or configure your Whoop membership. Select this option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. You will be prompted to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and payment details. It is essential to ensure that the information you provide is accurate, as this will be used to manage your membership and provide access to premium features. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will gain access to a range of exclusive benefits, including detailed analytics, personalized recommendations, and community support. Take some time to explore the app and familiarize yourself with the various features and tools available to you. To get the most out of your Whoop membership, it is crucial to wear your device regularly and consistently track your activities. This will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of your fitness levels and help you identify areas for improvement. In addition to tracking your activities, the Whoop app also offers a range of guided workouts and training plans tailored to your specific needs and goals. Take advantage of these resources to help you stay motivated and focused on your fitness journey. By following these steps and making the most of your Whoop membership, you can unlock a deeper understanding of your body and achieve your fitness goals. Remember to always follow best practices, such as regularly updating your app and device, to ensure you have access to the latest features and functionalities.